I played this game for 5 minutes and something felt very different. This didn't feel like a game. I started walking, no objective, no pressure, and the more I walked, the more real it felt. NPCs weren't waiting for me, and they were just living. I looked at the clock, 5 minutes have passed, but it felt like I'd been somewhere. Not playing, but visiting. Most games are afraid of being boring. This isn't one. It trusts you to slow down, and when you do, it becomes something else. But the strangest part, after the fight, the silence comes back. No victory music, no reward screen, just the wind again. Then the world reminds me it's not peaceful for everyone. Combat here isn't loud, it's controlled. Every movement matters. It feels less like fighting and more like choreography. That's when it hit me. This game isn't just for attention, it's giving you space, and somehow that makes you lean in. Most games try to impress you immediately, big explosions, big promises. This one didn't. And it just exists, like an old painting, but you're walking inside it. If you felt even a little bit of that, you already understand. Oh, what's up, guys? It's me, the good villain, and we are playing Where the Winds Meet. And I have only one life in this game. If I lose this life, and I'll quit the game. For whoa, 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 whoa! Who is that? Backflipping. Backflipping. Oh, he's imitating the frog. Oh, nice. Can I talk to you, my guy? How do you do that? Yeah. Oh, this guy. I know this guy actually. I've seen him from the Kung Fu Hustle, right? Oh, that's how you do it. So I have to learn. Okay. Leaping Toad. This guy actually looks like the guy from Kung Fu Hustle. And this guy is imitating the frog. Nice. Nice to see. Man, why can't I dodge? Oh shit, bro. Oh fuck. What's it, dude? No. This guy is too strong. I can't deal with him, bro. Yeah, I need to learn. Let's go. You have nothing against me, bro. That's it. That's it. One down. Enemy kill. One. Okay. Oh my god. Let's go. That's it. Not yet died. Come on. Oh, you are a bow guy, right? Two down. Oh, hell no. Oh my. That's it. God damn it. Who's that? 3 down. Come on, can you? I deflected it, bitch. Come here, come here, come here. Yeah, let's go. Just die. I got some coins, I got some weight. Why? I don't know. 3 enemy down. Oh, there are people here. What the fuck are they doing? 1 to the head, okay. Oh, fuck. That's it. You easy. That's amazing for